I'm Tyler with the Stout Tanks and Kettles support team, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a A421 Johnson temperature controller. In the box is going to be a temperature probe and a controller. Some tools you might need is a wire stripper, box knife, a small flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to want 2 cords. This one is going to plug into a 120 outlet. It's going to have the ground, black, and white wires. This one is going to connect from the temperature controller to the solenoid valve. You're going to want to make sure to remove the insulation to about right there. Placing the temperature controller where you prefer it to be, and you're going to want to make sure that your power cord is long enough to go from here all the way to your 120 outlet. Now we're going to strip the wires. On this side, we're going to connect the cord from the temperature controller to the solenoid valve. Strip all the wires on both sides as well. Next, we're going to want to cut out this hole. We can use a box knife to do this. Run over it a couple of times. Now we are going to take off the face of the temperature controller. Push in the tabs to open up the hole. The white wire connects to the far left terminal. The black wire connects to the middle left terminal, and the green wires connect to each other. I'm going to wire the power cord through. This is an optional cord grip that we're using, which makes a watertight seal. The white wire will be fed to the far left terminal, while the black wire will be fed to the middle terminal on the left. Next, we're going to want a jumper cable to go from the black wire to the relay side. Now we're going to wire the solenoid cord. The white wire will be going to the power side, and the black wire will be going to the relay side. Green wire will be connecting with the power cord, green wire. To connect the green wires, we take a wire nut, put the wires together, and simply screw it on. Lastly, we take the black wire and connect it to the relay terminal, the right side in the middle. Now we're going to tighten up the cords. And now we're going to install the temperature probe. The temperature probe is wired through the cord grip into these two terminals. We're going to loosen the cord grip and feed the temperature probe wires through. And they're going to connect to these two terminals. Either or works. And then tighten them up nice and snug. Next, tighten up the cord grip. Now we can close the faceplate. And we have a finished A421 Johnson control. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team via phone or email. And also be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Cheers.